So, Gabe, what do you think? You watching Dad do the obstacle course? It is just the most exciting thing, isn't it? What do you think? What do you think? Are you pretty hot out here? Oh my goodness. Whoa. Man, it's pretty hot out, huh? Yeah. Whoa. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Oh. Tickle, 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 tickle. Yeah, I'm waiting for Daddy to do his obstacle.